So this is the back panel that goes inside the truck. The window frame mounts around here, so window glass sits in between. And I haven't touched it yet, but we're getting ready for paint, so I'm gonna get everything ready. And you can see when they sprayed it the last time, it started flaking off everywhere. I mean, not that we weren't gonna strip it anyway. So, new tool. This is the Harbor Freight stripper paint surfacer tool thing. It's got adjustable speed on it. It's got a lock. This is the 40 grit. It's about 4 inches wide, so should do more surface area than those little spaghetti discs. It's like spaghetti disc, but bigger. So let's give it a try. Yeah? Okay.
Cypress storm, chopping trees, driving tractor all day. He works that push pile all night down the Arwindale way. Lord knows it's just one man. Try to live out them songs he wrote. Took him down too soon, took him down too slow. There's one thing he told me, the one thing I learned. Blues can't be taught, boy, they got to be earned. He's a walking catfish, he run a chicken down. His jungle in this hill town. He's the devil in a blacked out
So not too bad. When you're using it, it puts a little heat in the metal. Gets a little warm to the touch. But this is nice. Good surface. It'll be ready for sealer. I gotta do these edges. We'll break the spaghetti wheel out on this and that and the edges. So let's flip it over and do the other side. So we're still working on this back panel. This is the next day. I think we cut off, I was working over here. We were in it for about 40 minutes on the side. I don't remember. I'll have to watch the video. But something came up and I had to go, so we're back. We're gonna finish, get this done. I'm gonna start on this side first because I think I can get it, and then I'll do this side where y'all can see it. So I'm gonna switch to spaghetti wheel and see if we can't finish this up. This should get in the grooves a little bit better.
I'm gonna get me religion. Join a Baptist church. I'm gonna get me religion. Join a Baptist church. silicone liquor. Girl, your lines are horrible stuff. Well, this other sister jumped up. She began to shout. Well, this other sister jumped up. She began to shout. She said, oh, I believe I know what it's all about. Well, and I was in the pulpit, jumping up and down. Well, then I was in the pulpit, jumping up and down. All my sisters in the corner, howling, woo, Alabama. Come on, give me religion. Join the Baptist church. Come on, give me religion. Join the Baptist church. I'm gonna be a Baptist preacher, but I don't have to work.
All we gotta do is hit it with wax and grease remover, wipe it down, hang it up, hit it with the sealer. So I got those two inner door panels to do next, so here we go.